Is your application's performance being dragged down by inefficient queries and database configuration? Introducing Prisma Optimize, the solution for developers aiming to improve their data layer's performance and master optimization techniques to build robust applications. In this video, we'll explore how Prisma Optimize automatically analyzes your database queries, suggests performance optimizations, and features an AI assistant to help you implement these optimizations. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, Prisma Optimize empowers you to build faster, more efficient applications. Let's get started. Understanding the root cause of slow queries can be challenging, but Prisma Optimize makes it easy by providing detailed insights into your database performance. With Prisma Optimize, you have access to a dashboard that shows you your query-specific latency. All you need to do is start a recording, run some queries in your application, and watch as the queries populate the dashboard in real time. These insights help you identify queries that are running slower than necessary, and it even shows you which ones are experiencing cold starts. You can also analyze the raw query data to see the actual SQL statements behind the scenes, giving you a deeper understanding of what Prisma ORM is doing. Plus, Prisma Optimize groups common queries together, allowing you to compare each run of a specific type of query and identify patterns or anomalies. Once you have a clear understanding of your query insights, Prisma Optimize goes a step further by offering tailored recommendations to enhance your database setup and boost app performance. These recommendations help you address specific issues, such as reducing excessive data retrieval, improving your indexing, and avoiding costly full table scans. Each suggestion is designed to be actionable, allowing you to make immediate improvements and learn best practices along the way. By following these crafted recommendations, not only do you improve your app's performance, but you also develop a deeper knowledge of database optimization techniques. Need more guidance? Prisma Optimize features an AI assistant that's here to help. Whenever you encounter a recommendation you'd like to implement, you can ask the AI assistant for additional support. It provides clear, personalized answers and helps you understand how to apply each recommendation effectively within your application. It's like having an optimization expert on call, ready to assist you whenever you need it. Prisma Optimize is more than just a tool. It's a comprehensive solution to help you build better, faster apps while learning the ins and outs of database optimization. Whether you're just getting started or a seasoned pro, Prisma Optimize provides the insights, recommendations, and AI support you need to be successful. Ready to see the difference? Log into console.prisma.io/optimize and get started using Prisma Optimize today.